Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change video player color in Kajabi. This is a great way to ensure your video player matches your brand colors and creates a more cohesive professional look across your site. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open your Kajabi site by heading to the Kajabi login page and signing in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can access all of Kajabi's features and settings. Next, navigate to the website section located in the left-hand menu. Click on it and you'll see an expanded list of options appear. From these options, select Design. This is where you'll control the visual appearance and styling of your Kajabi site, including elements like your video player. Under the Design section, you'll be presented with a list of all the content you have in your Kajabi account. Look at the top right of your screen and click on the Customize button. This will direct you to the page editor, which is the central hub for making visual adjustments to your site's layout and design elements. Once you're in the page editor, click on the Selector button located at the top part of the screen. From here, select a page that contains video content. For this tutorial, we'll use a blog post page as our example, but you can choose any page where you've embedded a video. Now click directly on the video or media element on your page. You'll automatically be directed to its customization menu, which appears on the left sidebar. Look for the section labeled Style Overrides. Within this section, you'll see a hex color code selector beside the video player option. Click on it to open the color customization tool. A color palette window will open, giving you full control over the video player's color scheme. Select the color you want to use for your video player. You can either choose from the palette or enter a specific hex code if you have exact brand colors you're working with. Once you've selected your desired color, click on the Save button to apply the changes, and that's it. Your video player will now display in your chosen color, giving your Kajabi site a more branded and polished appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.